Hello there, and welcome back to Doodle Rust Designs, the one-stop shop for all your character design, illustration, and doodle needs. Today I'm working on the second in a series of sketch, clean-up, and colour for the first episode of Milton Milton. Milton Milton is a small town full of big characters, Punk Nan and scruffy side cat Sid being two of them. The Milton Milton episodes will be 3 to 4 panel sketch-like gags, inspired by live-action comedies like League of Gentlemen, The Fast Show, and The Mighty Boosh, and animated series like Monkey Dust, Crapston Villas, and I Am Not an Animal. If you're not British or under the age of 30, check them out. See some of the links in the description below. This scene follows on from Nan gobbing at pigeons to her kicking off in Lidl. Again, if you're not from Britain, Lidl is a discount supermarket with cheap beans and funny looking biscuits. Another crafty editing technique coming up. You've seen me colour Nan a few times now, if you're a returning viewer. In the background, I'm going to include a simple palette of pastel blues, oranges and pinks to represent the supermarket shelves and the food items. And after a speedy colour up, here's Nan, kicking off at Lidl's.